What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I want to share with you guys some incredible news. Just a little bit ago, my buddy Jeff Goodnow, who has been providing some amazing knives for review on this channel, really generous guy, he messaged me and he said, "Hey buddy, I've got an idea, if you're okay with it. I want to help support you, I want to help your channel grow, and what I want to do is I want to donate one of my knives to your channel on one condition." He said, "I want you to give this knife away in place of the ProTech Mordax because this is a more valuable knife. I think it's a knife that would, a lot of people would really like to have, and it might help incentivize your current Patreon goal. If you guys are not aware, my previous Patreon goal was 50. And once I hit that point, the idea was I'd give away this ProTech Mordax. Now, I'm sure a lot of you were excited about this knife, and this is a really nice knife. But what Jeff wants me to do is give away this knife instead. If you guys watched my or have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you'll remember that I reviewed this beautiful mint condition Medford Slim Midi Marauder, which is just an excellent knife, both in terms of overall quality and build quality, and as far as EDC goes. I mean, this is just an awesome knife. It's also quite a bit more valuable, in fact substantially more valuable, at about $550. So instead of giving away the ProTech Mordax, which, like I said, I'm sure a lot of you guys were really excited about, and some of you might even be sad to hear is not going to be the giveaway knife, we are going to give away this amazing Slim Midi Marauder. This is just an absolutely stunning knife. And again, thank you, Jeff. Seriously, if you guys get a chance in the comment section, give Jeff a thank you. This is just awesome. This knife comes with its original Pelican case, it comes with its birth certificate, and it also comes with the Medford card that you can see in there. It's absolutely brand new, has not been used in any way, shape, or form, and is just excellent. This knife, I think I've said this twice now, this knife is originally was valued at $550. So, even if you were somebody who would have preferred the $200 ProTech Mordax, if you win this and it's just not your cup of tea, you certainly could sell it and get whatever you wanted. But this is just amazing, and I thought you guys might really be excited to hear this. I'm also going to do another thing. Instead of 50, I'm going to make the goal 40. I'm currently at 24 patrons. That means that I only need 16 patrons before I open this up as a giveaway for everybody. So this is how this is going to work. As soon as I hit 40, it doesn't matter if you're a patron or if you're a subscriber or if you're just a viewer, this will be opened up as a giveaway for everybody. There's no purchase necessary, nothing like that. You just need to be 18 years of age at least, and you need to be able to provide me with an address inside the continental United States. As soon as I hit 40 patrons, I'll go over that with everybody. I want everybody to keep in mind that it doesn't matter what tier you join. You can join the $1 tier, it'll count. What you'll get is if you want, you'll get a free shout out on my channel to go along with that. You can have me plug your Instagram, you can have me plug your YouTube, you can have me say something funny, you can have me tell a joke, you can have me make fun of myself. It doesn't matter, whatever you want, as long as it's appropriate for YouTube. But this is just so incredible to me. This is S35VN, a beautiful satin finished blade. Then we have some blue to purple to bronze, hammer finished anodizing. This is one of the newer generations of Medfords with hardware on both sides. Really smooth action, perfect centering, no blade play, absolutely solid lockup. I think this knife is poised to make somebody really happy. So again, thank you so much, Jeff Goodnow, for this amazing opportunity. I hope you guys are excited, and like I said, drop Jeff a thank you in the comments. Jeff is an insanely generous person, and I'm really excited that he's taken such an interest in this channel. But anyways, guys, that's going to be it for now. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.